So I'm going to show you how you can use the Osmio Zero installation reverse osmosis system to use for cooking. So here we're going to boil a pot of pasta. So I'm going to move the drip tray out of the way first, and then we're going to stick the setting to 100 degrees. We're going to do this a few times in order to fill up the pan enough to put on the hob and finish off the pasta. This is by far the most efficient kettle, so it's done it once and now it's finished. I'm going to press it again, carry on. But because it's doing a cup by cup boil, this is far more efficient than any other means than boiling the kettle and waiting. So really it's going to take about the same time, but the water's being filtered and boiled to 100 degrees straight into the pan. It looks like I'll probably do one more, so 3 in total, for this is quite a large pot of pasta I'm demonstrating with here. Yeah, I think we'll do one more. And that'll be enough water to then stick the pasta on the hob and finish it off. So this is how you can use the Osmio Zero installation for your cooking, and it just totally replaces the kettle. Completely no need for your kettle, as well as use it for cooking as well as for your coffee and tea as well. See, we're filling our coffee machine with the water from this system as well. There we go. That's like plenty of water. That didn't take too long, so a couple of minutes if that, and very energy efficient and zero water waste version of getting reverse osmosis water, and use it for your cooking. So I'll now stick my pasta on the hob here and off I go.